already, so we're working on lab 6 right here with the counter, and everything's ready to go. Just got a piece of paper there to kind of separate the 4 different LEDs to make it a little bit easier to see. So this right here is increment, this right here is clear. So if we go ahead and okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click increment of 1. That means the next value is going to be 1. So then if I click right here, runs for 1 clock, and we have that is now a 1 value that is actually at Q. And then over here, increment is still up, and so it knows that the next value is going to be 2. So let me just go ahead and click that again. Moves it up to 2 over on the Q side, and now on the next we have 3. So then let me go ahead and instantiate both. So we have clear and increment both being 1, which means that next is just going to be whatever Q is. So Q is 2, and next is a 2. If we do both of these down at the same time, it's the exact same thing. Q is just going to be what comes next. So 2 and 2, so that makes good. And then if we just do clear up, if we just raise Q, or excuse me, if we just raise clear, it's going to clear the next value. So now the next value coming through is technically 0. So then if I run this 1 more clock, everything goes back to 0. So now that I've shown that that all works, I'm just going to show you that increment works. So I'm just going to continuously increment up. As you can see, as I'm going, this next value here is always what's brought over to the Q. Increment up all the way until we get to 15 or F right here, and then it should all go back down to 0 with the next value being 1, and it continues on from there. And then once again, if I bring this up, we have the same values. If I drop this down, now it's going to clear. If I click this 1 more clock, everything's cleared back to 0.